Hi, my name is Sean Good, and I'm an attorney with the Good Law Group. In this video, we're going to talk about how real estate attorneys can help you with contract negotiations. So in many instances, before the contract is signed, as well as after the contract is signed, and this can happen in both residential and commercial, it really does not matter. Attorneys can step in before the contract is signed or after the contract is signed to assist with negotiations. Most contracts contain an attorney review provision that after the contract is signed, there are still items that can be negotiated, modified, or changed. And the most common things we are working on is credits or repairs. So after an inspection is done, this can be residential or commercial. There's often negotiations regarding repairs that need to be undertaken by a seller and possibly credits instead of doing repairs. In addition to negotiating repair credits, we're also typically handling negotiations around the contingencies. Right now I'm working on a commercial deal and it's taken a long time to negotiate the repair credit. So now we're negotiating, extending the mortgage contingency and possibly making earnest money non-refundable partially. This is common in commercial and somewhat common in residential, in that most extensions are just granted if they're reasonable in residential, whereas commercial typically requires a little more negotiation, but they mirror each other and attorneys are still important in these functions. The last thing is, again, also common in most residential and commercial, is we are working towards negotiating or clarifying ambiguities in the contract to protect our clients and avoid any legal disputes and make sure the terms of the contract are enforceable and beneficial. So those are the top three things you'll work with your attorney typically to negotiate. If we can assist you with your real estate transaction, whether it's commercial or residential, please feel free to reach out to us. Phone number is 847-577-4476. Thanks for watching this video.